Hi, I'm Amelia, and on behalf of Expert Village, I'm here to talk about troubles that you have with your hair. Okay, as you can see, my model here had her bangs chopped off, pretty bad. So what do you do in a situation like this? Well, there's a couple of things. If you have enough hair over top that you can salvage, that you can pull over, then you can just completely hide it. So that's the easy way. Now, let's say you went really bad and they cut pretty far back, so you've just got a lot of short pieces. The best thing to do then, and it might not be the most flattering, but the best thing to do then, again, is to make it look like you meant to do it. So you can go in, and if you're at home, you can go in and I'm just going to grab some scissors that anyone would have at their house. They're not ideal, but they work. And you just cut notches in them. And you always make sure that your scissors are going up. But what I'm showing you here is that you don't have to go and buy shears. You can use just some scissors. And you can even make them like a little bit shorter on one side. Like I said, have fun with it. Make it look like it was supposed to be done. Then, take your product. With product, you can do anything. I'm using just a little bit of wax, and I'm just going to go in and kind of twist them and bring them to one side. So they look like what's called baby bangs. So again, it looks like it's supposed to be that way. Now, what happens when they get down to here and they're obviously too short? Well, the same thing. You just go in and continue to notch them. Another thing you can do is I highly recommend going to someone you trust and having them help you out with this as well. So when you style your hair, you can just bring that over, and then it looks like you meant to do it. And that's how you fix bangs that are too short.